Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherelle and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing something really random and spontaneous. Yes, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be piercing my ears. But before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is about beauty, skincare and natural hair. So if that kind of content interests you, I really appreciate if you show support to my channel by subscribing. Just a quick disclaimer for this video. This video is not a tutorial, especially for those of you who are under 18. Don't do what I'm doing, go and see a professional. Now with that being said, let's get on with the video. So, I do actually have my ear pierced already, but I want to pierce them again so that I can have 3 on each side. And I'm not even going to lie you guys, I feel like being in quarantine has made me come up with this silly decision. Also, I saw this product on my Amazon page and I was really interested to see how it worked. I'm not really a fan of pain, but I have had a lot of piercings before, especially throughout my teenage years. I've had my septum done, I've had the top of my ear pierced before, I've had my nose done twice, I've had my belly button done before, I've had the bottom of my lip done, this side of here as well, and I've also had my nipples pierced too. So guys, this is actually what I got on Amazon. And I think the way that you have to do it is to press the sides together, and as you can see at the back of the earring it's slightly pointier than usual so that it can actually pierce your ear. This cost me $5.99 and I did buy a silver ball. I wanted it to look really simple, and I also have a silver ball in now. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I am feeling quite nervous and I hope it all goes well. So I'm going to open this for the first time and see what it looks like inside. Once I open up the packet, it comes with some alcohol wipes. I already have loads, but I'm going to use theirs. Here, so as you guys can see, here's the earring that's actually going to go through my ear. There's the butterfly, and just up there you can see the silver ball. And I presume you just squeeze it down like that through your ear and it pierces your ear like that. Now I'm not going to open that packet until I'm going to pierce my ears, but I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands and grab some gloves and I'll be back in a second. Now I'm going to mark my ear to see where I want the ear piercing to be. Bear in mind I am filming this through a very small viewfinder, so it will take me quite a while to get it accurate. I'm thinking I would like it somewhere here. Well guys, as you just saw, my chair literally just broke on me while I was trying to mark where my ear piercing should be. I'm not even sure if I should do this anymore. I think that's a sign that I should stop. 2020 has been a hell of a year. Anyway, let's get on with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and disinfect and mark my ear again, but I'm not gonna film that bit because you guys have already seen it. So I've already washed my hands, but I'm going to put some gloves on as well. So now it's finally time to open up these. So I'm just going to start off with one first. I did cut them in half, so the other one is down there. I didn't want to open them both up at the same time, just to make sure they are disinfected still. So what I'm doing now is just peeling off the back like this. And here is what it looks like on the inside. So taking a closer look, you can see that there's a spring on the inside where you push it and it opens and closes. Here's what it looks like on the other side. And that my earlobe is going to be right in the middle there. I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of scared. So I'm going to try and hold it like this, like a stapler, and push it all the way through. I'm scared now. Yeah. The back fall off. Yeah, into your ear. Yeah! It's pierced!
Pussy.
Really?
God.
That wasn't that bad.
Thank God, man.
Okay guys, so this is what it looks like and I'm really happy with the placement. I would say the pain was about a 3 out of 10. So the plan was to do 2 more on this side, so I needed another one, and then 2 on this side, but I'm a bit of a wuss. I think I'm just going to put one more on this side and then just call it a day. So I'm going to go ahead and change in my gloves all over, do another swab here, and then do it again. Okay, so we have just finished marking where I want the third one to be. It's a little bit of a tricky situation because here where my actual earlobe is, it's quite distinct from the rest of my ear. So we've had to mark it somewhere in between. But yeah, I'm ready to pierce my ear again.
Yeah.
Is it okay with my ear?
Yeah. Hot.
Is it done?
The back never went through.
Oh.
But it's straight.
Okay, I have to push it through. The second time that I did it, as you can see, the butterfly is still stuck on the inside there. So I'm gonna have to take this out somehow and then put it on the back of this. But it came out quite nice. But the last one that I did just doesn't have a butterfly on it. Okay guys, that is enough trauma for today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and tell you more about this experience. I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Tomorrow I will come back with the rest of the information because right now I am done being in pain. I just want to go and rest now. Hi guys, so it is the next day and I told you guys that I would come back to tell you my whole experience of piercing my ear. The reason why I left it to the next day is because instantly after piercing my ear, I feel like the anticipation gave me a headache. Honestly, I was so nervous to do it, but then after I did it I felt really silly because it wasn't even that painful. I really love the results and I like the way it looks. It's exactly what I was going for, and this is what my ear looks like. Honestly, when I actually pierced my ear, the pain was about, I would say 2 out of 10. But one thing that I was really afraid about was the uncomfortableness of sleeping with a new piercing. It wasn't so bad, you know. I got sleep all throughout the night. Even though it was quite painless, I still chickened out. I was meant to do 2 on this side and 2 on the other. I only ended up doing 2 on this side. But apart from that, it was a really enjoyable experience. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to pierce the right side of my ear. We will have to wait and see. But anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.